live long and prosper. Hello beautiful people, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, my name is Mamushi. Please don't forget to subscribe. I am so excited for today's video because of this palette. I would like to personally thank Aleks and Hamdan for this wonderful gift. If you'd like to know how I achieved this look, then please keep on watching. Thank you. As you can see, I have already done my eyebrows and my eyeshadow base. So let's move straight to the eyeshadow palette. So I have here this Beauty, Huda Beauty for Mercury Retrograde eyeshadow palette. And these are the colors, the shades. It's a very gorgeous palette. I love it. Beautiful palette. So the first shade I'm going to start with is this shade, Libra, and put it all over my crease. This is my JUNO & Co ES07 brush. So I'm just gonna pack on the shade first onto my eyelid. I'm gonna add more color and then blend it out. I'm done with Libra. Next, I'm gonna take Vortex and use my MORPHE F36 brush to apply it. Since I'm going for the halo look, I'm gonna apply it here and here, inside and outside of my eye. Whoa. First, I'm packing on the shade on the outer corner of my eye. Then I'm gonna pack it in the inner part of my eye. It's okay if it's messy now. Everything will blend out perfectly. Once you've packed the outer and the inner part of your eye, I'm just gonna blend it out and blend it into Libra. I did not add any extra product on the brush. I'm using whatever I have left on the brush and on my eyelids. This is how the eyes should look. I'm gonna go and do the other eye and I will be right back. Second eye is done. I'm just gonna go back to my first blending brush, the JUNO brush, and blend out Libra with Vortex. Done. Before I apply the shimmer shade in the middle of my eye, I would like to clean up the eyelid a little bit. I'm gonna take this LOUISE eyeshadow base in Rumour 2 along with the LOUISE flat brush and apply the base in the middle of my eyelid. I'm gonna take base a little bit with the brush and apply it in the middle here. You don't need so much, actually do a line. It doesn't have to be clean. And you can decide how big or how small you want the shimmer area to be by the placement of the shade. The eyeshadow base. So I'm going to leave it like this and I'll do the other eye. Second eye is done. As you can see, this eye look is slowly transitioning towards a purple theme, which is okay. Purple is my favorite color. Speaking of purple, I'm going to take this ultraviolet shade from the palette and apply it in the middle. I'm going to start with my finger first. Show you how it looks. This is how it looks. Oh, like candy. And I'll apply it in the middle of my eyelid. Then I'm going to take this BOBBI Brown touch-up brush and apply the rest of the shimmer and blend it out. Once you've placed ultraviolet up to your satisfaction, you can go back to your old blending brush, which you used to blend out Vortex, and blend in on the sides. Just to get rid of the harsh line created by the eyeshadow base. And you can blend out on top as well. This eye is done. I'll go work on this eye off camera and I'll be right back. The second eye is done. Before we move to the lower eye, I'm gonna go apply my base and everything, and I'll be right back. So the base is done. As you can see, I have done my foundation, concealer, contour, highlighting, everything. So I am almost ready. Let's get the eyes done and we can move on. I'm gonna start with Vortex, this same shade we used previously, and I'm gonna do the same thing I did on the upper parts, on the lower parts, so just on the ends. This is my MORPHE F36 brush, and I'm gonna pick up Vortex. Make sure to connect the top and bottom shades. Just like that. And then in the middle, I'm gonna apply ultraviolet, just here, the shimmer shade. I'm gonna spray the brush a little bit with the setting spray, so that it picks up the shade. Touch my nose. Looks so good. I'm putting it on the waterline and also blending it just a little bit lower. This shade, Supermoon, is calling my name. So I'm going to apply this in the inner corner of my eye. Supermoon is done. I'm going to apply mascara and lashes and work on these lips, and I'll be right back. This is the final look, guys. I know, I look like a unicorn has vomited on my face, but I'd rather have that than anything else. Before we finish, I'd like to apply some lip gloss and add some dimension to my lips. This is the Fenty Beauty Glass Slipper Clear Lip Gloss. I don't want to ruin the applicator, so I'm gonna put some on my fingers. Smells and tastes so good. And voila! This is the final look. I hope you enjoyed the video as much as I enjoyed making it. Please don't forget to like this video, leave a comment, and subscribe to my channel. And please remember, don't hate, meditate. Thank you. Bye.